Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Update the system package with the running following command. Ubuntu Cleaner package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing ppa repo as shown. Run the command below to reflect on ppa. Then install Ubuntu Cleaner as shown below. You can search on the system search bar by typing Ubuntu Cleaner or just by icon. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments.